Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door vent trim on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or it's discolored. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So this here is our trim. So to get that off, we're going to open our oven door. And we've got two screws here, which also hold on the handle. So I'm going to remove these screws. That handle just popped off. And while you're doing this, you're going to want to hold on to the handle so it doesn't fall onto the floor. So now that that's not attached anymore, these pieces kind of separate, and we can just let that rest up there. We'll set the handle down nice and gentle, and the trim will just slide right off. There we go. So this piece here is glass. You don't want that to fall down, so I'm just going to hold that here and have somebody else hand me my new piece. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement trim. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Now if while doing that, these arms came off, all you have to do is simply re-stick them on the sticky tape there. And what I'm going to do is just slide this right back in. There we go. And you see right here, there's a couple of tabs, these tabs right here. And just make sure that goes right over top of the glass to hold it in place. Okay, now we're going to bring these two halves together. And I did take the washers out because you don't want those washers crashing up against that glass. That'll just break it, and that's no good. So we'll get the door handle lined up with this screw hole on the bottom and screw that together. Okay, and grab your other screw, we'll get it lined up, and we'll screw that on. There we go. Now, just make sure your handle is secure on there. You can close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.